can be your dog. Ah, what is he trying to say? Like, I can be your dog. What's up, guys? Your boy Case. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm here with
Rest before to rest before to rest.
Okay, sorry guys. Yes sir. So today I'm by myself. You already know, but it's okay guys, it is what it is. So today I'm reacting to 3 songs, right? So yeah, in fact shout out to Elkizano. He's the one who made the little videos of the 3 songs I'm reacting to. So shout out to him, and shout out to OneTime Records. Yeah, and just subscribe to their channel. The link will be in the description. You already know. The first one, it's Chioniso featuring Drumerboy Kenny, The Morning After. So ladies first, you already know. So I hope Anika that Katuda was to the Hamapi Panika sweet face, you already know. So let's get straight to it. Come on, subscribe. Please subscribe. Yeah. Subscribe to my channel. Road to 2K. Yes sir.
OneTime Records.
Get on, boy.
Skin, a bottle of gin. This boy is used to.
Yeah, okay. We see you, Chioniso. We see you. Yeah, kabisa. Kaniga.
Boy, if you don't get
Kaniga sweet katrona, yeah. Kaniga that. So let's go. Let him sweat. Alpha.
He's used to the sin of getting lost in kisses and sheets. He's searching for something. He's searching for something that I cannot give him. That I cannot give him. The morning after. He's searching for something that I cannot give him. That
I cannot give him. What? The morning after. But that I cannot give him. What's that? Like I don't know. He's searching for something. Like what? Okay.
for something that I cannot give him. When the clock shift, already he's a disaster. Lunches served with bedroom ice. Na na na. The morning after, but I can't be just another name. Or just another name, just another name to you, just another face to you. If you can't stay, then please just go. I need someone who's willing to be. You have to stay, and if you stay, please don't go till the morning after.
Please don't go till the morning after. So okay, morning after, sort of like breakfast. Okay. I think on go kuimba ziri kuitika, like for me Chioniso, like chi asi ndozoitika ni your item, your boyfriend uti umba ma morning after, my morning turns to my morning glory, myself. So yeah, hey, okay.
I'm going within the matrix, dodging enemies we is. But when you up and left, I found it hard to breathe. But what could this be? I've been searching for something, one love. But I feel the energy's been working hard against her. So I guess you have to switch up, but it's all love. through with your friends, looking nice with the crew. You caught up with the vibe and you feeling this tune. I see the sparkle in your eyes, shine under the moon. A couple hours got you rich, you acting brand new.
You're searching for some morning after. Desire's backyard. 6 o'clock in the summer evening. We stood in the backyard of Desire. Half a crooked smile, the sliver of a pale moon dipped in a bronze sky. You always had an appetite for sinning. You watch me break the bread and dip it in wine. Whisper sweet promises over the night. It's parked in the garage.
Okay, shout out to Chioniso featuring Drumerboy Kenny, The Morning After. Yeah, I don't have nothing to say, but it's nice though, man. Yeah, the voice, your voice is dope. Yeah. So, in fact, let's go to the next one. Is it Roico? Okay, I'm sorry, but it's Roico Bwoi.
OneTime Records.
It's a boy, got the Roico the boy. Yeah.
Tesla.
It shows on the beat,
You know, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Like a nigga, it sounds like Mr. Easy, like Afrobeat. Yeah, sounds like Mr. Easy. Yeah, it's dope. It's dope. Those are true days. This is dope. That's very tricky, yeah. The vibe, you know, the beat, you know, so you know, it's zungu flow, so.
I can be your bitch. When you there, I go there. I can be your dog.
Wait, what?
When you there, I go there.
I can be your dog. Ah, what is he trying to say? Like, I can be your dog. Barking. No. Yeah, kind of love you. Have die so you people and do that you could and do it. Who? No, no, please, not me. But although the song is dope, but I can be your dog.
I can be your master. I can be your bitch. When you there, I go there. I can be your dog. I can be your master. You wanna kinda walk about and baby girl, you are one in a million. Me go give you the banana. Girl, most like a million. Me go give you the
Me go give you the banana. Okay.
Banana, girl, most like a million. Look, when I end, I go follow you. While I go give it to you. In my body, I go give it to you. Anything you want, I go give it to you. I can be your bitch. When you there, I go there. Be your dog. You got to good and do good. I can be your hustler. Marichetten don't chug. I can be your bitch. When you there, I go there. I can be your dog. You got to good and do good. I can be your hustler. Marichetten don't chug. Call me, just baby. Call me, just baby. Let me give you some juice. What's as a hit as the earth?
if I don't get money, who says so turn on me wrong?
Girl, me give you everything, show you love over everything. Ndoku bainin, girl, ndoku dainin.
I can be your date, I can be your date, I can be your love, I can be your love, I can be your master, I can be your master, I can be your master.
Okay, this is a dope track. Yes sir. Yeah, oh yeah, nigga vibe on Mr. Easy, like it's like Mr. Easy varikuimba ni Shona. So sounds, yeah, you know, like the Afro ingechimbwa ni Shona. It's a dope, it's new. Remember, it's new Zim, so people will follow you, like will listen to your music. So yeah, shout out to Roico, the boy. Yeah. Jewelx. Hey, Jewelx. I don't know. Yeah, keep what you're doing, Erin. So next one, it's TIL. That's the last song. That's the last song. TIL, and the song is Masasi. Okay, let's go.
Welcome to Black Light.
Dirego yembera mari in the studio making music matches. Dipeleta ndimboleta matrix. Unondiziya kusiye andina muske ndisiye. You don't know, see Black beats, they don't know. Oh no. Takangozara chisasa tikangokura chisasa nanasi vakungosasa masasa ngokupe sasa. Takangozara chisasa tikangokura chisasa nanasi vakungosasa masasa ngokupe sasa. Amai mawokosa amai mabusiness amai maturu anotiudza chiko musaiko anongotendronge chenya bicycle nawele veturito andina teme mabasco.
Wait, what?
Samai maturu anotiudza chiko musaiko anongotendronge chenya bicycle nawele veturito andina teme mabasco.
Okay. Hey. Guys. You know, the song is kind of catchy, but although it's not my cup of tea, I'm not saying it's bad, but yeah, you know, let's go.
Yazara ya kwenda na bato blabla ndeve masasi ngemabla hatisia matishuli jegambla. We pray for the haters, they want us to lose. Senda gadara gasati to prove. As long as diri mupenyu every day I will let later the plantation. Yeah, beta kudada nezandiri rege kutsvaga mabasa mtomona kwandiri. Beta nogona borenga ronda atambe ari one. Living your life like a shine.
And the tripping your life like Christian, guys. Okay.
Sasa ngokupe sasa yakangozvarwa chisasa ndikangokura chisasa nanasi vakungosasa masasa ngokupe sasa vanotaura nezeri nehatisi ndiripo inotikumbuke.
Yeah, the song, I can't say it's bad, but yeah, it's not bad. That's it for the video. I hope you like it, share, and subscribe. Man, I'm just interested to my comment, in the comment section. But I in the Farango, the one, the Afro thing. You know, Hansi, you're a Roico boy yourself. Yeah, it's dope. Yes, sir.